Like, you know what? It's supposed to be the coldest morning of the year, so let's go fishing. Sound over it anyway, so we can do it over here.
Like, it's really deep. Like our normal walking spot has water.
Alright, YouTube, I'm back. You know what's up. It's me. It's actually freezing outside. I'm not joking. It's 16 degrees right now.
No. It's not freezing. It's below freezing.
Anyways, it's cold outside. We're at Lake Whitney fishing the Brazos below Lake Whitney. As you can see, I don't know if you remember what it looked like from last video, but the water is actually up. And we don't know where we're going to fish from yet, but we're going to catch some sort of fish.
Hopefully.
And it's going to be awesome. If not, I don't know what. If not, I don't know why they're letting more water out right now. They could cut it off. You never know. Yeah, so we're going to try to go get on some, maybe sand bass. Maybe the sand bass are running like they were in the Trinity.
That'd be freaking dope.
Might catch some sand bass. Might catch some largemouth. Might catch another giant 30-inch striper. We don't know.
Nobody knows.
Stay tuned, and we'll get back to you when we're catching fish. Okay, update. It's cold, and we are walking farther downriver. See if we can get to a spot with some largemouth. Today I'm throwing the Alabama rig. I think it's the Alabama A-Rig Junior. Squareville, and a little shaky head. Last time we've been here, they've really been chewing the Squareville, so I'm going to stick with that. But if the Squareville is just absolutely not working, I'm switching to the A-Rig, or I'm switching Ultra Finesse. And I got a shaky head tight on, and I got a little squirrel tail worm I got in the recent Lucky Tackle box. Bro, some of these icicles are big. Look at that. That's cool. Oh. Oh God. Almost died. Oh my God. Look at these icicles. Bro, this is some like movie stuff where you like get killed by it.
Walk up. Just walk up where the plants are. Straight up.
Oh my God. You're gonna get to that calm water. No way.
See?
No, it was moss. What? Same. Oh my God, it's a fish! Oh my God! Oh my God!
You said a fish.
I had a big fish on!
Really?
Yes! Dog!
My line's frozen.
Same, mine does too. Look at my second eye. Moving down the river. And look at this. Giant. Like we wanted to. The water's too high. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna drive over to the other side, fish the spillway, off of that concrete wall way over there. See if we can't catch any striper. We talked to some guys that were fishing down there for catfish. Said they caught a striper down there, so we'll give that a shot. If that does not work, we're gonna drive back over here and we're gonna fish this pool up here. We're not supposed to. We're gonna catch fish today though. It's gonna be cool. So stay tuned as we drive across the bridge. Excuse me. How you doing? Yep. I got 12-pound test. I don't know if this is gonna work. Yeah, I know. I finally hooked up. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Finally hooked up on our first fish of the day. Looks like a hybrid. Throwing a deep diver crankbait. Oh, it's a striper. I got it.
Oh, hell no. Damn, nice little striper. Blue. Short.
Yeah, he is.
He's about what, 15, 16?
Yeah, something like that. Maybe 17.
He was fun to catch though, wasn't he?
Yeah. We never keep fish out of here. We usually come here and catch largemouth farther down the river. Big, like 4 or 5 pounders.
Yeah. I'm a crappie man myself.
Yeah.
I only live 2 miles from here.
Oh, really? We live in Dallas Fort Worth area.
Oh, yeah?
We drove out here this morning.
Hell, y'all really want to fish then.
Nailed it. There we go. Yep. Hooked up with a nice one. This guy that was fishing here, we had no crappie jigs, and that's what he's fishing with. And he gave us each one. First cast with it. Nice little striper. Cooper's hooked up with a giant. That's easy going 10 pounds. Oh, I got one too. Oh, I was hung. It came off though. Thank God.
It's a hybrid.
You sure?
Look.
It's a sand bass. It has one solid stripe that goes from head to tail. The striper has 3 stripes that go head to tail. Oh my God! Caught one. This is an ugly one. Came over here, tried to catch some crappie off this wall. Got a nice sand bass. He's beat up. Caught him right here. God, giant buffalo. Look at him. No way I'm getting this up, dude. Yeah, he snapped it. He snapped it.
Well, that's all I got to do too.
Yep. What's up? We're back. Day's over. Time to head back to Mansfield. Originally we were gonna go down river where river usually do and get to the largemouth. But they've been letting more water out of Lake Whitney. So the Brazos River is a lot higher than we expected. So couldn't walk down the river, no bank to walk down. Came back to the dam, ended up trying to target sand bass and striper. And we had nothing we could catch them on, and this old vet was there. Need to mention, every time you see a vet, make sure you thank him for his service. You can't thank them enough. A handshake doesn't do him justice, but do what you can to thank a vet. He gave us these little crappie jigs he's using there, about that long, called bumblebee pattern. Using those crappie jigs, we ended up getting, I caught, what's some dogs? Yeah, the dogs. I caught 3 striper, I think. You saw in the video. 3 striper and a couple sand bass on those crappie jigs. Until I broke off the crappie jig. And that was the end of our day. But it was a pretty good day of fishing. Saw a lot of cool icicles. And, well, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Go check out Cooper's channel. It's in the description below. He just joined the Enigma Pro Staff fishing team. So he's selling all of his Falcon rods. If you want to buy them, contact him. What? And a lose rod. Selling 2 Falcons and a lose. If you want to contact him, comment on one of his videos. He'll get a hold of you. Selling them, not real expensive. They're really good condition. He's gotten them in the past 2 months, but now he's on a new pro staff, so he can't use them. So he's going to be selling them. So check him out. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and yeah, don't die. I don't know what to say at the end of my videos.
Follow the fish, not the signs.
Remember, follow the fish, not the signs. Unless it's a trespassing sign, and you just gotta act like you don't see it. Have a good day.